heart of Zagreb lies a place where time melts into flavor. A place where stories are told not in words, but in chocolate. Long before it became the sweet we know today, cocoa was sacred. Revered by the ancient Maya and Aztecs, traded as currency, consumed as a bitter elixir of the gods. Centuries later, it would journey across oceans, find its way into royal courts, and gradually evolve into a global obsession. At the Chocolate Museum, this journey comes alive. From raw cocoa beans to ruby and white chocolate. From Aztec rituals to Baroque salons. Each room reveals another layer of history. And another flavor to taste. Here, visitors don't just learn about chocolate, they experience it. A tasting box with 9 unique varieties welcomes you at the entrance, along with a small wooden spoon, inviting you to sample warm, liquid chocolate as you explore. This isn't just a museum. It's a passage through centuries of taste, culture, and transformation. As you explore, you'll come across carefully curated displays, objects, images, and stories that trace chocolate's transformation across cultures and centuries. Each room invites you not only to taste, but to feel the passage of time through the lens of a single timeless delight. This is more than a museum. It's a journey through memory, flavor, and imagination.